In this doorbell clip we witness how important it is to always check your doorbell camera and ask who it is before opening the door. This guy comes up to a man's home and rings the bell attempting to come inside. While this happens, the resident steps in, questioning the man about his identity and purpose for being there. Acting quickly, he manages to push the intruder out before any harm is done to the home.
Who are you? Good, you need to leave. How far? Out there. What's the stairs service? What? What's the stairs service? Come on, where are you going? What's the stairs service? Goodbye, you.
Scenarios like this truly highlight the importance of verifying who's at the door before letting in unfamiliar people. In this video, around midnight at a home in Dallas, a truck pulls up to the residence. A man steps out, uses a tool to disable the doorbell camera, and then attempts to enter the house. Fortunately, the resident was at home and noticed the situation through the doorbell app, managing to frighten off the intruder before anything serious happened. Even more startling, cameras in this neighborhood have captured the same person attempting to break into other homes. These cameras truly prove to be lifesavers. While doorbell cameras are often used to help homes and make residents feel safer from intruders and creepy strangers, there are other uses for the cameras as well, like helping residents see if there are animals crawling all over their front porch. In this clip we see an unwelcomed guest isn't a person but a snake slithering all over the front door. Thankfully the camera footage was captured so the residents know not to let this slithering intruder in by accident. I wonder if these snakes are licking the doorbell camera as well. At times, a doorbell camera and social media can truly be lifesavers, helping individuals protect themselves from intruders. This was the case for a woman in Phoenix, who saw a man forcefully kicking down her door to break into her home, while a woman assisted him in carrying out the robbery. The homeowner received a notification on her phone and was understandably stunned. Initially, she thought they might be searching for homes on the market, but it turned out they had malicious intentions. I'm not sure if they were ever apprehended. In this video, we witness how doorbell cameras can play a crucial role in preventing repeat criminals. This woman from Colorado was captured on camera twice attempting to break into nearby homes. Thanks to this footage and the support of local residents, people are coming together to figure out who is behind these repeated break-in attempts. Hopefully, they can track down this troubled woman.